Transform your content game. Advanced blog posting tactics for small business success. If you have the best content in the world, what can possibly keep you from generating more leads, customers, and revenue? The answer is probably nothing. Great content is powerful. It's a universal language that can be used to attract customers or drive traffic to your website. If you're serious about growing your business and driving loyalty from new and existing customers alike, you need to adopt strategies that will help you improve the quality of your content in order to increase engagement and conversion rates. Utilizing advanced blogging post writing tricks for small business success will not only help you write more engaging content but also make it more likely for people who find your blog posts to share them with their friends or read them on social media. Advanced blog post writing tactics for small business success are not difficult to learn. They just take time and practice. In this blog post, we discuss 5 different blogging post marketing techniques that can be implemented on your own blog within minutes with minimal cost and effort. Build a platform, not just a blog. The first step to creating a successful blog is to build a platform that goes beyond just a blog. This means creating a website that has a lot of content, including blog posts, images, and videos. Your website should be user-friendly and easy to navigate, allowing visitors to find exactly what they're looking for quickly and easily. One way to build a platform is to create a blog that is focused on a specific topic or niche. This will allow you to target a specific audience and establish yourself as an expert in that area. For example, if you're a small business owner selling handmade soap, you could create a blog focusing on natural skincare and soap making. This will attract people who are interested in your products and want to learn more about how to make them. Another way to build a platform is to create a strong social media presence. This means creating profiles on all the major social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You should also create a content marketing strategy that includes sharing your blog posts on social media and engaging with your followers. Finally, you should also consider creating an email list. This will allow you to stay in touch with your readers and customers and keep them updated on new products, blog posts, and promotions. Use the proven PPC blogging post technique. The pay-per-click (PPC) technique is a great way to drive traffic to your blog and increase your conversion rates. PPC involves paying for ads that are displayed at the top of search engine results pages, SERPs, when people search for specific keywords. To use PPC, you'll need to create a Google AdWords account and set up a campaign. You'll then need to choose the keywords that you want to target and create ads that are relevant to those keywords. When people search for those keywords, your ads will be displayed at the top of the SERPs. PPC is a great way to get immediate results and drive traffic to your blog. However, it can be expensive, so it's important to monitor your campaigns closely and make adjustments as needed. Create a branded video using your blog. Video marketing is an effective way to promote your blog and increase engagement. Creating a branded video that is related to your blog can help you attract new readers and keep your existing readers engaged. To create a branded video, you'll need to come up with a concept that is related to your blog. You could create a how-to video that demonstrates a specific technique or a behind-the-scenes video that shows how you create your products. Once you have a concept, you'll need to create a script and hire a videographer to shoot the footage. You could also create the video yourself using a smartphone or a camera. Once your video is complete, you can share it on social media and embed it on your blog to increase engagement and drive traffic. Use guest blogging to promote your content. Guest blogging is another effective way to promote your blog and increase engagement. Guest blogging involves writing a blog post for another website or blog in your niche. To use guest blogging, you'll need to identify websites and blogs in your niche that accept guest posts. You can do this by searching for blogs on Google or by using websites like MyBlogGuest. Once you've identified websites and blogs that accept guest posts, you'll need to come up with a topic that is relevant to their audience. You should also make sure that your post is well written and provides value to their readers. When your post is published, you can include a link back to your blog to drive traffic and increase engagement. Create informative ebooks with your blog. Creating informative ebooks is another effective way to promote your blog and increase engagement. Ebooks provide valuable information to your readers and can help establish you as an expert in your niche. To create an ebook, you'll need to come up with a topic that is relevant to your audience. You should also make sure that your ebook is well written and provides value to your readers. Once your ebook is complete, you can offer it as a free download on your blog to drive traffic and increase engagement. You could also sell your ebook on Amazon or other online marketplaces to generate additional revenue. Conclusion. Advanced blogging post-writing tactics for small business success are not difficult to learn. They just take time and practice. By building a platform, using the proven PPC blogging post technique, creating a branded video, using guest blogging to promote your content, and creating informative ebooks with your blog, you can transform your content game and take your small business to the next level. Remember, the key to success is to keep experimenting and trying new things until you find what works best for your business. Thanks for watching.